A few weeks back when we was at the Deland Train Show, we visited the barn afterwards. It's just right behind the train show. The Volusia County Model Railroad Club has an open house every time that there's a train show and every time that the fair is going on at the Volusia County fairgrounds. So there's not too many opportunities that everybody gets to see it. But every time we go to the train show, I like to go back there and take some videos. And it's been a fan favorite ever since we've been going there for, I guess, about the last 3 years. So the Volusia County Model Railroaders are a bunch of model railroaders that basically do it out of their own love for model railroading and with very little money from Volusia County. All proceeds are from donations and their own out of their own pocket. So if you ever get a chance to go up there during the fair or the train show, go and see them and tip them in their tip jar. They very much appreciate it. So here it is again, some more footage from the Volusia County Model Railroad Club, a DC model railroad in HO scale. Okay, we're inside. We're going to take a video of from the outside here. Okay. I see Curtis is already inside here.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road. Take me home to rest where the mockingbirds nest and to cry through the green in the spring. Let's go back a ways to the old bygone days and the simple time we lived back when. Well, let the pull of the plow bring the sweat from my brow and the glow of the fire pull me home. Let me wind down my days in the sweet dusty haze. Take me back down the old dirt road. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road. Take me back down the old dirt road.
Well, the next train show is April 5th, so if you ever have the opportunity to go to the Volusia County Fairgrounds, do it. You will not be disappointed. It's a good train show and good model railroad in the back. So until the next time, we'll see you. And have fun with whatever you're doing.